All right. Got a question from Nat. I received it in an email. Trouble finding a tool. So the question is, please look at the screenshots attached. In your presentation with the rectangular marquee tool, you have four options, including the single row marquee tool and the single column marquee tool. I, on the other hand, have only the first two options available. How do I get the other two? Let's take a look at these screenshots. Okay, so here's a view of Photoshop with only two tools available in the marquee tool option. And then here's a screenshot from my demo, and here are four. So question is, same Photoshop, 2021, 2021. This toolbar shows only two versions of the marquee tool, and this version shows, four. So why is that, and how can we get more? The big question in general. How do we get more? So let's go look in Photoshop. This is my Photoshop. I'm going to right click on this marquee tool, and I see that there's four here. So how do we do that? Or why does it only show two? I'm going to say, Nat, you might have your Photoshop set up to not show everything. Here's what you can do to check it out. In your toolbar, if you go to the bottom, almost to the bottom of the toolbar, are these three dots, ellipsis. If I click on this, I have an option to edit the toolbar. So I'm right-clicking on this, and I see this edit toolbar. If I click this, I get a little dialog box that lets me configure the toolbar. So I'm thinking possibly what's happening for you is that your toolbar options for the marquee tool are not showing single row and single column because maybe they are not set to load. So if I drag them off of the toolbar list and put them in this extra tools section, they won't show up. Click done, go back here, and now my toolbar setup for the marquee tool looks something like yours. It's only got these two. This is only my theory about why your toolbar is doing what it's doing. I don't know for sure because I can't see your Photoshop and look around it. But if I were to guess, my guess would be something like this. It's configured to only show two. So how do we get all four? Let's go back down to this option, Edit Toolbar. I'll right click on it. I'll go to Edit Toolbar. The easiest thing you can do when you're in this Customize window is click on this button here, Restore Defaults. And it's just going to load everything up the way Photoshop is shipped. And it ships with all of these options as part of the toolbar. So do that. I'll click done. And if I look here, I see all my tools. So give that a shot. And let me know how it goes.